Hiccups start with a muscle called the diaphragm, which helps you breathe. Normally, it moves smoothly when you breathe in and out. But sometimes, something irritates the nerves connected to the diaphragm, like the vagus nerve or phrenic nerve. This makes your diaphragm suddenly jump or tighten. When the diaphragm tightens, air gets pushed into your lungs quickly, but your throat closes at the same time. This makes your vocal cords shut quickly, creating the hic sound. Hiccups can happen when you eat or drink too fast, swallow air, laugh too much, or even get stressed. To stop them, try holding your breath or drinking water slowly. These tricks can help relax your diaphragm and calm the nerves.